Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Black Ops 6 game crashing on startup issue, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is if that you have Call of Duty installed through Steam, you can go ahead and open it up. From here, go over to your library and look for Call of Duty. I don't have it installed, so I'm just going to use another game that I have installed as an example. But basically you just want to right click on it. Then you want to click on properties and then go to installed files and then just click on verify integrity of game files. Once it is done verifying, you can go ahead and start it up and you can check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can do is in-game. Just go ahead and lower your settings if your PC is below recommended specs. So just go over to graphics, quality, and change the graphic preset to either minimum or basic, or you could just leave it as recommended. That probably is the best one. And another thing you guys can do is make sure that your drivers are updated. So for NVIDIA, just make sure everything is up to date, same as AMD. And once you do all of that, you guys should be good to go. You can always restart or your Wi-Fi router as well. You can restart your Wi-Fi, or you can connect an Ethernet cable. But once you do all of these things, you guys should be good to go. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.